Et je vais vous demander de m'aider à accueillir la prochaine équipe compétitrice pour cette finale de la compétition nationale, donc Neoma Business School Campus Rouen, ainsi que leur conseiller pédagogique, Monsieur Renaud. Vous avez 3 minutes pour vous installer, ainsi que distribuer vos annual reports. Il vous reste 1 minute dans votre temps d'installation. Vous pouvez maintenant commencer votre présentation.
We are going to tell you an incredible story, the story of Enactus Neoma Rouen.
Located on the river Seine, Rouen is the charming capital of Upper Normandy. During medieval times, it was one of the most prosperous cities of Europe.
But it was until the inhabitants, overwhelmed by the amount of clothes to wash, a consequence of the rainy weather and the mud, which is not the case in Johannesburg, lost all sense of time efficiency and energy saving.
In the 60s, washing machines were launched on the market. The success of the new device rapidly led to overconsumption and increased the gap between wealthy inhabitants and modest inhabitants, such as students.
This situation led to social inequalities, loss of economic opportunities, and environmental waste.
But actually, perhaps members of our jury can remember the times they were students, and the audience, of course.
Who had to go to the laundry when he was a student?
Yes, but who found it was a waste of time and money?
I see. Well, I'm very sorry to tell you that you were born during the wrong period, because we have found the solution to this problem.
With Enactus Neoma Rouen, 55 years of discomfort, money spending, and non-observance of ecological impacts will now come to an end.
We are creative.
Creative, we are ambitious, we are Enactus Neoma Rouen.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jeanne-Laure and my goal is answering basic needs.
I am Tiffaine, and my goal is bringing new ideas.
My name is Paul Emmanuel, and my goal to create perspectives.
My name is Domiti, and my goal is to create sustainable projects.
Behind the computers there is Jérôme, and my name is Marie-Sophie, and I do believe in improving lives.
In our Enactus team, we are 48 dedicating students, sharing the same values and motivation. This year, we have conducted 5 different projects, worked on communication, press relations, and different events.
First, we have launched 2 new projects. Banque Alimentaire, which consists in collecting funds for the food bank, and Merci Mamie, which aims at creating an intergenerational bond between students and all people.
Then we have the EcoCuisar project, the launch of an innovative oven which will improve the life of hundreds of inhabitants and create an economic activity in Mali.
There is also Locameuble, a service of trading and sale of furniture used by the student before.
And last, our star project, Loca, that we present to you today. Our service offers a range of recycled household appliances to students at low prices. So now, let me give you a quick brief about the opportunity we saw.
The city of Rouen hosts every year 40,000 students. This population has a tight budget for housing, and especially for domestic appliances, which represents 80% of its removal expense.
At Neoma Business School in Rouen, the situation is even worse, as students have to live in 8 different houses during their entire schooling.
But with this short amount of time, how could the students afford a machine? And how could we avoid the substantial cost of a household appliance or the spending on laundries?
Some students effectively bought a device for their stay in Rouen, but they threw it away at the departure. So, how could we make up for that environmental degradation?
Laundries don't foster social bonds, and they slow down the fall of the unemployment rate, which reaches at 11.3% in Rouen, according to the INSEE. So how could we contribute to the economic dynamism of our town?
Clearly, this situation couldn't go any longer. So we thought about a rental solution of electronic device. But how could we find the device, and how much should be an electrical appliance per month? Many questions remained unanswered.
This is why we conducted a survey among 100 students of the school, and we realized that most of them was actually seduced by the idea of renting a device between 10 and 20 euros on average per month and per appliance. 80% of them was interested by renting a washing machine and 60% by a fridge. Given the results, we saw that there was a real need expressed by the students.
Secondly, we looked for furniture. We heard about the social company Envie, which belongs to a network of 49 responsible firms in France. Among all the competitors, we chose specifically this firm because we were both looking for a partner with whom we could create strong social bonds.
In fact, this partnership seems accurate, as the missions and values of Envie are totally in line with ours. An economic mission.
To sell the appliances and make Envie a profitable company.
A social mission.
To hire people excluded from the job market.
An environmental mission.
To recycle and repair electric devices.
Envie was directly interested by our project as the idea appeared to them really innovative.
We were offering them a new market with the renting solution.
A new category of clients, the students.
A new social link created between Envie's workers and members of Enactus.
The main challenge was then to create an efficient business model. We finally came to the following plan. For 15 euros on average per month and per client, students will have access to an all-inclusive offer including the delivery of the devices, the installation and reparation if necessary, and, at the end, the return of the devices.
So, Envie will take in charge the delivery of the devices, and Enactus would assure the management of the project and its development. Thus, we will both work in coordination. But on the long term, our earnest wish was to empower Envie with this project.
Now, let us briefly explain you how it works. David, Envie's community worker, wants to help Emily, a student, who is interested in renting a device. First, she fills in a questionnaire where she can choose the appliance she needs. Then, we call her to give her the date of delivery. When we have at least 7 demands for one day, we agree with David on the date of delivery and the number of devices needed.
The D-Day, David, a colleague, and Enactus arrive at Emily's apartment to install the device. David explains her that she can call the Envie emergency number in case of any problem. The last step is a return delivery. When Emily has to move, we come back with David to take the device.
Finally, David confesses us how much he has enjoyed being in contact with people who are different from those he usually socializes with.
This seems great, but what about the distribution of profit?
So this is really simple, Tiffen. So when you rent a device, €1 per month and per client goes to Enactus. The rest goes to Envie. Actually, 90% of the turnover goes to Envie. Additionally, each student has to pay a €5 subscription to have access to our service.
With this business model, we finally managed to deal with economic, social, and environmental issues.
For the economic aspect, students would spend on average €90 for 6 months instead of €250, which is the cost of a new appliance, or €120, which is the cost of a weekly laundry. And considering that students live on average with 2 other people, the final cost is even lower.
For the social side, making students sensitive to another way of consumption and to connect Envie carriers with them in order to create a strong social link.
Concerning the environmental aspect, electric devices can find a second or even a third life.
We are very happy to say that with LOCA, we have created a sustainable business model and a profitable project, both for Envie and for Enactus.
We
are creative, we are ambitious, we are Enactus Neoma Rouen.
But
We haven't finished yet.
Paul-Emmanuel, this project is almost 2 years old. Can you tell me about major improvements?
Yes, Domichi, let me present you the result we first reached.
In 2013, thanks to an active communication in July, we have managed to start the project as soon as the students arrived on the campus. So in September, we organized 4 days of delivery to students' home.
After 1 year of hard work, we obtained the following results.
74 deliveries.
89 devices rented, which represents a €7,600 turnover for Envie.
And about 200 students impacted by the project.
In the school year 2014 to 2015, thanks to a strong communication and thanks to the success of our service, we have managed to expand our project both internally and externally.
First, inside the school, students recognized the advantages of the solution, especially if they were living with roommates. Here are some results of this year.
We have rented 60% more devices than last year, with a total of 142 appliances rented and 450 people impacted. This makes up for an increase of 125% of the beneficiaries and a 40% penetration rate in the school.
We earned more than 22,000 euros, a turnover which is 4 times higher than the one of last year.
The turnover of Envie also increased thanks to our project by 112% in comparison with last year on the period September to January, with a 10,270 euros turnover.
And we continue impacting Envie with
A new clientele reached.
Always more clients to our service.
A reduction of the devices stocked.
A new worker hired in Envie's workshop thanks to our project.
the reinforcement of our partnership with Envie also goes through the expansion of our service in other cities, and this is one of our main priorities.
The Enactors team of Rennes was seduced by our project. Therefore, they decided to work with Envie for a rental solution of electrical device for students. They were influenced by our business model. We are very proud to have inspired them.
We also have a contact with students from Bordeaux who are curious about a project and would like to create a partnership with us.
Envie Lorraine also contacted us in order to implement the project in the region.
Those examples of the duplication of the project represent a real motivation for us, as we see that other teams are convinced by the social, environmental, and economic aspects of our project and want to work on it with us.
The 5,000 euros we have obtained last year thanks to a challenge launched by the region of Rouen helped us a lot to work on this expansion, and we are currently working on a website to make our offer more transparent and more accessible.
It also enabled us to develop a new project, Loca Meuble, which we consider as an extension of Loca.
The principle?
Is to sell second-hand furniture.
And last but not least, thanks to this subvention, we'll be able to hire 2 full-time community workers to help us developing our project.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of a chapter, but it's far from being the end of our story.
As an Enactors team, here are the following results.
We
Created a microcredit event called The Rise for the second time on the campus and obtained 3,039 euros for small entrepreneurs all over the world.
We participated in a final of a student contest called Initiative BDE.
We
Won the Grande contest organized by the region of Upper Normandy.
We gathered for a second year a consultative council of professionals which gave us advice for our project. We
Organized a social entrepreneurship course at school.
We
will be present at an event about collaborative economy with 10 associations and companies of the region of Rouen next 6th of June.
Have created 2 new projects.
As you can see, we are dedicated to people in need, we are committed to our projects, and we are happy to meet challenges of today.
To us, the future starts now. We are creative, we are ambitious, we are
présentation. On va passer à la traditionnelle phase de questions et réponses avec les membres du jury. Céline, il y a une question juste à ta gauche.
Bonjour. Comment est-ce que vous prévoyez de permettre à Envie de devenir autonome, de pouvoir travailler sans vous auprès des étudiants?
Alors en fait, Envie ne travaille pas sans nous avec les étudiants, puisque nous, on est présents sur toutes les livraisons, puisque l'intérêt du projet, c'est aussi de pouvoir avoir un lien social fort entre les personnes en insertion qui travaillent chez Envie et les étudiants de Neoma.
prévoyez pas qu'Envie devienne indépendant de vous?
Non, parce que on est vraiment dans une optique de partenariat et d'échange ensemble. Justement, l'intérêt de ce projet, c'est de pouvoir avoir différents acteurs mobilisés et avec vraiment un lien social fort. Donc pour l'instant, on compte continuer à travailler ensemble.
Bonjour. Vous avez un modèle qui est intéressant parce qu'il y a une récurrence naturelle dans votre business avec les étudiants qui changent d'appartement, des nouvelles promos qui arrivent tous les ans, etc. Alors, je suis curieuse de savoir, pour grandir vite, est-ce que vous avez prévu des actions pour grandir encore plus vite? Et qui est-ce qu'il y a dans votre paysage concurrentiel?
Donc, bonjour. Pour grandir vite, déjà, ce qu'on veut faire, c'est formaliser tout notre process. Donc, grâce au site internet qui nous permettra de mieux organiser nos livraisons et aussi de pouvoir voir avec Envie Rouen quelle est sa capacité de livraison pour pouvoir, dans un premier temps, l'étendre, pourquoi pas, à Rouen et ensuite dans d'autres villes en France. Mais ce sera vraiment la formalisation du process qui va nous aider à avoir d'autres perspectives pour l'année prochaine et les années suivantes encore.
Et en termes de notoriété de votre service?
Tu vas jouer.
En termes de notoriété du service, on lance vraiment des campagnes de communication déjà sur place, sur le campus de Rouen, principalement à travers les réseaux sociaux, parce que en tant qu'étudiant, c'est le principal moteur. Et en fait, actuellement, Loca est vraiment très connu au niveau de Neoma à Rouen et même dans d'autres écoles de commerce, en fait.
Oui, bonjour. Félicitations. Au-delà de l'impact sur les centaines d'étudiants, quel est l'impact réel aujourd'hui en termes de création d'emplois chez Envie et en termes de perspective de création d'emplois?
Alors aujourd'hui, grâce au projet, on a réussi à embaucher une nouvelle personne chez Envie. Et du coup, avec l'extension du projet déjà au sein de Rouen, on peut espérer embaucher une deuxième personne à terme et également embaucher des personnes dans les autres antennes qu'on va développer en fait dans les autres villes dans lesquelles on compte développer le projet.
Merci.
Une autre question?
Oui, bonjour. Votre projet est intéressant. C'est une alternative au Bon Coin. Moi, mes enfants ne sont pas dans les bonnes villes, malheureusement. Donc, ils vont plutôt acheter et revendre. Est-ce que vous avez fait justement une étude comparative par rapport à ce type de pratique estudiantine assez classique?
Donc, pour l'achat-revente de meubles, c'est très facile dans notre école parce que les étudiants de 4e année partent au moment où les étudiants de 2e année arrivent. Du coup, ça facilite pour les étudiants donc, la réception de meubles et la revente de meubles plutôt que de passer par le Bon Coin et de ne pas être sûr qu'il va être acheté au bon moment. Là, on récupère au moment où ils partent et comme ça, on a des meubles pour au moment où les autres élèves arrivent.
Alors, ma question était plutôt autour du prix. Qu'est-ce qui coûte le moins cher? Est-ce que vous avez comparé?
Oui, alors il se trouve que les étudiants n'accordent pas énormément d'importance à avoir des beaux meubles et du coup on rachète les meubles à très bas prix pour du coup les revendre à très bas prix aussi, qui sont généralement des prix beaucoup plus bas que les prix sur le Bon Coin.
Je voudrais aussi rajouter que ce qu'on offre avec par exemple Loca électroménager, c'est un service qui permet aux étudiants d'avoir des machines qui vont arriver dans leur appartement et quand ils vont partir, donc là c'est le cas la semaine prochaine, ils partent en stage, nous on s'occupe avec Enactos d'aller chercher les machines chez eux. Donc contrairement à la revente ou l'achat sur le Bon Coin, il n'y a pas tout ce qui est déplacement, emménagement, installation, s'il y a jamais il y a un problème qu'on n'est pas sûr que la machine soit sous garantie. Envie nous permet d'avoir tout ce service et je pense que c'est ça aussi qui concurrence le Bon Coin aujourd'hui.
On va terminer la session de questions-réponses là. Merci de désaccueillir l'équipe de Neoma Business School. Merci beaucoup de votre présentation. Chers membres du jury, vous avez maintenant 5 minutes pour remplir votre grille d'évaluation.